Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to avoid people from adding you to Telegram groups. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy section, tap on Groups. Under Who can add me to group chat section, select My Contacts. If you want, you can add exceptions by blocking few more users from your contact list. Tap the right icon to save the changes. This is how you can avoid people from adding you to Telegram groups. Thank you for watching.